Everyone, how are you? Today I will show how to create 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗏. So open Play Store and download 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗏. See, my 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗬𝗓 already downloaded. Now I will open 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗬𝗓 and click here sign up with email. I will type mail @gmail.com. Password must be 8 digit, uppercase, lowercase. Click next. Enter full name, 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗬𝗓, select country, it's state India, Delhi, and create an account. Click here and verify your email address. Open email. See, verify your 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗬𝗓 account. Click here. Your account done. So go profile and click here, select date of birth 2000 on January 12. On 12 date. Okay, submit it. See, you got your account. If you receive from here, then click receive Lightning or Bitcoin. So I select Bitcoin and you get address, Bitcoin address. See, and also you can receive from QR code. So that's for today. And if you need other service like PayPal, Cash App, Chime, Venmo support, then feel free to join my Telegram. And if you also need 𝗘𝗗𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗬𝗓, also join my Telegram. That's it for today. Thank you.